Welcome to my videos. So guys, if you get a message like this on your iOS, similar messages come on your Android too, with Android notification. This I got on my iOS phone. So don't never ignore it. Okay. In my case, I know which tracker is this. This is the one that I have put in my car myself, and I did not connect it to my iPhone because of the recent change. So I'll fix it. But yeah, if you get a message like this is a warning. This is a very severe warning, especially if you don't know if you don't know the AirTag. So basically, a lot of criminal gangs, especially car stealing gangs, use this. When they zero in on a model, they want to understand your routine, where you go, where you park your car, and for how long. So somebody, if they locate a car at a mall, okay, a very expensive car, and they want to go behind it, instead of following you all the way and wait for you all the way, they put a tag somewhere on your car so that they can track it remotely where you are going. Now definitely, if your car is stationary at a place overnight for multiple days in a row, most probably that's your home, right? So they got your home address. If your car is parked at a place, at a different place during most of the business hours almost every day, they know it's your workplace. So this is how they create the profile, and they track your habits. Also, they understand your schedule, and then they devise a plan to steal your car, or sometimes even home invasion, because that's how these criminals go nowadays. Because a lot of people use Faraday box to store their car keys, car fob keys, so that they are not able to relay the signal to steal the cars. But yes, with this AirTag method, they devise the plan. I mean, with this, like there's a risk always associated. So first, when you get this tag, immediately notify the police, I would say, and just follow their instructions, what they say. You can, and of course, like I'll tell you, I'm not sure how much this method is effective or not. One of my friends had found this tag long back. What he did, he went to a public transit bus and he left he left the tag in the bus. So that was a very funny thing. I mean, okay, leave it. I'm laughing too much, but yeah, this is a very serious matter, so we should not take it lightly. So all in all, guys, at the time of summarizing it, don't take this casually. If this happens with you, if you get a notification like this, take some severe steps to protect yourself, your family members, and their interests. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.